How to make extra money in 2021. Check this out. You can become a tester and make $10 per test. Each test is 10 to 20 minutes, which means that you're going to be making $30 to $60 per hour. Hey, what's up you guys? This is Art from Art of Marketing blog, and this will be a quick 4 to 5 minute video. I'll show you how to make extra money in 2021 in a bunch of different ways. The main thing is testing, which means that you don't need any skills, any experience. You can do this from anywhere in the world, and it takes you minutes per day. And again, you can make $30 to $60 per hour, and this is actually on the low end because you're gonna make up to $100s per hour with these websites I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you top 7 websites. So let's start. Before I do, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, click on the bell, and leave me a comment. And if you want to find out how to make money online, how to work from home, how to create a digital business, keep on coming back to this channel. Also, if you want to find out more, check out all the links in the description of this video. I have my free courses, a $1 course, I have my coaching, check all of it out. And right now, let me share my screen, let me show you how to make extra money in 2021. Guys, the first website is usertesting.com. okay, it's a free website to use. As you can see, you can click right here where it says get paid to test. It will open up a new page and all the information was right here. So top brands want to hear from you, and you just enter your email to apply. So how all of this works: you sign up, you take a test, and you get paid $10 for every 20-minute test. Now these tests are 20 minutes. All of the hours are actually much faster. Okay, so guys, this is a free website to use. They work with big brands like Facebook, like CVS, like the Home Depot, like Ford. So definitely a great website to work for. I'll show you 6 more. So that was number 1. Number 2, I have userfeel.com. Again, just click right here where it says become a tester. You can earn $10 per test, 10 to 20 minutes per test. Same exact idea. All the information was right here. Just click on become a tester, send them your email, and they will send you all the information. Number 3, I have testingtime.com. Same exact thing. All you have to do is just click on become a tester right here, and you will see this page right here. Just scroll all the way down, click on sign up as a tester, and you will have to fill out this form. That's it. You can start testing and making money almost instantly. Again, how to make extra money in 2021. Next up, I have testerwork.com. Same exact idea. You can click right here where it says become a tester, sign up, and this is how you can make extra money in 2021. Next up, I have test.io. You're going to be joining their tester community. Click on become a tester right here, and as you can see, all you have to do is just click on sign up. You're gonna become a tester, test apps, websites, games, and get paid for every issue you find. Next up, I have trymyui.com. Same exact idea. Click on get paid to test. You have this form right here. Sign up and just wait for the test. And number 7, and the last website I have for you, and this is actually a website currently in development, but you can still sign up. As soon as it will go live, you can start making money. Userpeak.com. Just click on get paid to test. You can sign up and pre-register right now. And again, most of these tests are 10 to 20 minutes, and most of these tests pay $10 to $20 per test. You can sign up for all 7 websites. Do it right now. This is how to make extra money in 2021 and even 2022. This will keep on working. I hope you enjoyed my list. I hope you're gonna make a ton of money this way. And before you go, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Make sure to like this video, comment on this video, click on the bell to get notified whenever I upload a video or go live on this channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.